motivating, guiding, and strengthening clubs. Area directors may facilitate the positive member experience, support member retention, and encourage membership through club visits. You are also requested to make sure that you visit clubs at least twice during your tenure, if not more. There are many responsibilities which are already written in the leadership handbook. I'm pretty sure you have gone through it. But in general, you will be the bridge between the district and the clubs. You visiting the clubs and writing or submitting the reports will make sure that the district understands what is to be done for the clubs. You will be the voice of the clubs towards the district. And you will make sure that together we all achieve distinguished clubs in our areas. Our job as area directors is not to make sure that we make our clubs or push our clubs. Not our job as area directors. As area directors, you will make sure that your clubs are at least distinguished and support the clubs to go higher if they want. I hope whatever I have told you by now is clear. You will definitely have understanding of the roles more when we go into the sessions. Whatever I have said to all of you, are you willing to support the district by performing your duties to the best of your abilities?
Yes, I will.
Together, let's say, yes, I will.
Yes, I will.
Leaders, you are installed as the area directors of District 124. You are more than welcome to wear your